All right, welcome to my channel, and here I have a very important information to share with you as WAEC students are preparing for their technical drawing, and I know that some are aware of the technical drawing past question that I made, and I've moved forward in making the technical drawing past question. The first one that I made is for paper 1, which is meant for objective questions. And then now I'm done with paper 2. I've done the drawing. Okay, so paper 2, as we know, is titled SA for Geometrical Construction. So I've made the past question and is now available on Sila to be purchased there. So, and one thing about this past question that I've made is that so for the questions, I made it in the way that you can easily get the solution to the problem or to each of the questions that I solved on my YouTube channel. Though this is the solution to this question that we have here. But if you click on this link, so if you click on this word that is in blue form, it will take you directly to my YouTube channel where you can see how the problem was solved. Okay, so other ones are also there. Let me show you for you to see the work that I did. So if you come here also, so for the solution of this problem, if you click on this blue text, so it will take you to my YouTube channel where you can see where the problem is solved or how the problem was solved on my YouTube channel. So here is it. Okay, so all right, so this is what I've done, and I made it so simple in the sense that you can easily understand how the work is done. So there are so many. So you have about 70 something pages being put together with different questions in the solution. So all you need to do, just go to Sila, and then I'm going to put the link that can take you to Sila in my description box. So just click on that link and it take you to Sila where you can purchase the past question. So we have it there for both paper 1 on objective questions, and then we also have this one there for geometrical drawing, which is paper 2. So thank you and keep on practicing, and I wish you success in your coming exam. God bless you.